A serial number or name is a unique code assigned for identification of a single unit. Although usually called a number, it may also include letter through ending with digits or any letter. In forensic practices, a few experimental techniques are being used successfully to restore the obliterated serial number on the metal surface. The methods include chemical etching, heat treatment, magnetic practice, ultrasonic cavitation, and relief polishing, who state that restoring of marking are an important forensic discipline that includes the science and technology of material. In the present work, we are restoring of erased name from the copper surface using different type of reagents. All the surface were again photographed for comparison with the mark that will be restored by acid etching method later on. All samples obliterated surface were cleaned by acetone solvent to remove grease or paint from it. Adding few drop of acetone with the help of dropper on a copper swab that will remove the grease or any paint mark or any dust or rusting mark from the copper metal surface that we are using. For preparing the standard solution, we have to measure 8 gram of ferric chloride with the help of spatula. After it, we have to add it in a beaker. Then measure 3 ml of concentrated HCl. Before that, we have to take it in a beaker, and then with the help of dropper, we are measuring 3 ml of concentrated HCl. While measuring the concentrated HCl, it's necessary to wear gloves for the safety purpose. Add the measured HCl in ferric chloride powder, then measure 50 ml of distilled water. Now add that measured distilled water in our prepared reagent, and with the help of spatula we have to mix it gently. With the help of dropper, we have to add 3 to 4 drop of prepared reagent on a cotton swab. Then gently rub it on a copper metal surface to clear the obliterated mark and name present on that surface. We have to repeat that process 5 to 6 times for clear visibility of the obliterated name. While repeating the process for 15 to 20 minutes with the prepared reagent, the obliterated name are start showing. After repeating the process for more 5 minutes, the obliterated name are now clearly visible. After preparing the standard reagent, now we have to prepare etching reagent. For that, we have to measure 5 ml of concentrated HNO3 with the help of dropper in a beaker. Now, we have to measure 3.6 gram of potassium dichromate powder to prepare its saturated solution. For preparing saturated solution, we have to measure 25 ml of distilled water in a measuring cylinder. Now we have to add potassium dichromate and distilled water in a beaker to prepare standard solution and mix it well with the help of spatula. Now add measured concentrated HNO3 in a saturated solution. With the help of dropper, add 3 to 4 drop of prepared reagent on a cotton swab and gently rub it on a copper metal surface that we have to restore the obliterated mark. Repeat this process for 5 to 6 times. While repeating the process for 5 to 6 times for 10 to 15 minutes, the restored obliterated mark and name are clearly visible on a copper metal surface. While comparing both the copper metal surface, it clearly shows that both the reagent can restore a obliterated mark on a copper metal surface, but the standard reagent, which was a modification of the reagent used by stored the mark, is considered for short period of time. On the other hand, the mark restored by etching reagent, they are more stable for the relatively long period of time. The etching reagent was so strong that it quickly dissolved the stained surface of metal. Hence, results obtained were far better than the standard reagent.